What happens if Chamisa wins the election? A question that has sparked a flurry of debates among political analysts, stirring up a whirlwind of hypothetical scenarios. This is no ordinary question. It holds the potential to shape the future of Zimbabwe. Consider the military's role in Zimbabwean politics. Historically, the military has held a significant influence over the state's affairs. Even the transition of power from Robert Mugabe to Emmerson Mnangagwa in November 2017 was a military-assisted change. The military's involvement in politics, however, is not unique to Zimbabwe, but is a common occurrence in many African countries. The real question is, what would the military's stance be if Chamisa were to win the election? Would they hand over power willingly or resist? The answer to this question is complex and depends on several factors. One factor is the military's political alignment. The Zimbabwean military has traditionally aligned itself with ZANU-PF, the party of Mugabe and Mnangagwa. A victory for Chamisa, the leader of the opposition party MDC alliance, could therefore be seen as a threat to the military's influence over the state. Another factor to consider is the military's perceived role in society. In Zimbabwe, the military often sees itself as the guardian of the nation's revolution. A change in power could be perceived as a threat to the revolution, and the military may resist handing over power to protect it. However, the international community's reaction would also play a crucial role. The military would likely face international pressure to respect the election results and allow a peaceful transition of power. The future of Zimbabwe's political landscape hinges on the interplay of these factors. It's a delicate balancing act, with the military's role at the center of it all. In summary, the question of what happens if Chamisa wins the election cannot be answered definitively. It depends on the military's political alignment, its perceived role in society, and the response of the international community. The military's role in Zimbabwean politics is substantial, and any change in power could potentially affect its influence. A peaceful transition of power, however, would signal a promising future for democracy in Zimbabwe.